Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to hide likes on YouTube. Open YouTube Studio, go to Settings, choose Channel, then Advanced Settings to find the toggle that hides public like counts. I will walk you through desktop and mobile alternatives, explain privacy trade-offs, and show where hidden likes still appear for creators. Follow each step slowly and pause the video when you try settings on your account safely. Use YouTube Studio on desktop to hide likes easily. Click your profile, select YouTube Studio, open Settings, and choose Channel, then Advanced Settings, then toggle Hide Public Like Counts. Save changes and refresh to confirm the like count is hidden from viewers. Note that creators can still see detailed analytics in the Analytics tab, so hiding likes affects public display but not creator metrics or internal counts. Try on an unlisted video first. On mobile, the YouTube app does not provide the Hide Likes toggle in all accounts. Open a browser, request the desktop site, sign in, then access YouTube Studio and follow the desktop steps to toggle hiding likes. Alternatively, use the YouTube Studio app to edit channel advanced settings if available on your account. After changing settings, check a public video to verify likes are no longer displayed to viewers now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.